Hi, I am Prashant of CSC C-section first year. Today I am going to give a presentation on human-machine interface. Abstract. This paper recapitulated the concept of human-machine interface visualization design, analyze and generalize the study contents and the attention-deserving problems relating to human-machine interface visualization design. It summarizes the attribute of visualizable human-machine interface under the consideration of visualization study content. Finally, the paper advanced some principles which should be observed in visualization design, providing the visualization design of human-machine interface some basis. Here are the keywords of this presentation: human-machine interface, visualization, visual information design. So let's now come to introduction. As the media of human machine interaction, the human machine interface is a platform for cognition and communication between human and machine, and it is the approach for information transmittal. However, critical is it for the human to recognize and understand the information in the process of human machine interaction. Information is recognized by humans' perception systems, which mainly contain vision, audition, and tactility. Visual perception as humans' main means in observation and recognition plays the most critical function in human machine interaction. Therefore, visualization of information in the human machine interface becomes especially important. Visualization of information in human machine interaction, to put it simply, is the visualization design of human machine interfaces. That is, to transfer lingual, programmized, and virtual information into recognizable virtual visual information, including characters, images, colors, textures, and layout forms based on the above mentioned elements. The visualization design of human-machine interface can endow information with vividity and readability and express conduct much better through affordance. In human-machine interaction, visualization design of interfaces directly influences the quality of human-machine interfaces. Part 2. The study contents of human-machine interface visualization. A. Cognitive psychology based information visualization study. The process of human machine interaction is the transfer and feedback of information and the exportation and result of conducts. In order to strengthen the accuracy and efficiency of information transfer and conduct exportation, the designer must study the cognitive psychology problems relating to human machine interface. Cognitive psychology studies how human beings get the objective information, how the information appears and transforms into knowledge, and how it stores the knowledge and how it guides the consumer conducts. Cognitive psychology concerns the whole process of human psychology, from tactility to consciousness. Modal cognition studies skill forming concepts, thinking, presentation, memory, language, and sentiments, penetrating all of the fields of human conducts. The basic target of visualization study on human machine interface is to reduce errors, improve the ability of conduct, and enhance the security and comfortableness of operation in human machine interaction. While the cognitive psychology based visualization study in human machine interface can lay a foundation for that. It requires the visualizable human machine interface to meet the following requirements. The visualizable human machine interface should be used to provide the consumer specific and identifiable objects, helping the consumers induce abstract concepts or principles. taking advantage of visualizable interface to demonstrate the hidden content and make full use of the distinct and intelligible objects such as characters, graphics, animations, colors, etc. to demonstrate principles, formulas, and abstract concepts. Using the visualizable human machine interface designed to simulate the consumer's thoughts and imagination so as to enhance their participation and stimulate the desire to study and create. Part B, Visualization Design Based Information Visualization Study. Visualization Design Based Information Visualization is to transform the complex information interface into graphics through means of art design, that is to take use of computer graphics technology to increase the use of visual information like colors and shapes in human machine interface, bringing to full play the consumer's potent of visual perception and thinking, thereby strengthening the usability of human machine interface and improving the efficiency of information transmittal. Visualization design includes mainly character design, graphic design, color design, layout design, etc. The property of visualizable human machine interface recognition. Recognition, also known as perceptibility, is the basic feature of visualizable human machine interface. The visualization design of human machine interface makes the contents and control of interface more visible and understandable. It guarantees the information function framework to be distinct and easy to be distinguished. The recognition of visualizable human machine interface is based on the extensive and reasonable application of characters, graphics, animations, and videos in the interface designs. B. Interaction. Interaction is an important attribute of the visualizable human machine interface which furnishes the consumers with active or passive interaction ways. The interaction process possesses a certain degree of flexibility, which means the visualizable interface can provide different operation interfaces and operation modes according to different consumers or working situations, allowing the consumers to make all of the choice of interaction ways. Maneuverability. Maneuverability. Maneuverability means that the relevant elements of interface and contents must be operable. The greatest benefit it brings is the consumers can operate in real life behaviors through the visual interface. The operatable visual interface can not only complete the functions by keywords and mouse but also allow the consumers to control the operation time according to their own interaction habits with the support of appropriate navigation and required contents, helping the consumers avoid inaccurate operation and providing them the opportunity to correct errors. The maneuverability of the visual human interface will bring them to consider higher efficiency and gratification. Affinity. On one hand, the affinity of visualizable human machine interface means that the human machine interface is easy understandable. No matter how complex the background working mode or implementation approach of interface, it interacts in a consistent way, helping the consumers find out the working situation of the system and predict the conducts and the results of the system. On the other hand, the affinity of visualizable human-machine interface helps the consumers concentrate on their conducts in the function, leaving less attention to the interfaces. Then the consumer can work naturally while the interface as a media should be invisible instead of becoming the hindrance of information communication. 4. Design principle of interface information visualization. A. Consumer-centered principle. The visualizable human-machine interface should take the consumers as a operation object, adapting to consumers in multiple ways. B. Visualization design principles. The principle of reasonable adoption of visual elements. Using graphics or other visual-related elements in human-machine interface visualization can help the consumers understand the interface better. 2. The principle of avoiding visual disorder. Visual disorder of the visualizable human-machine interface owes to the redundant visual element, which disperses the consumer's attention and interface with concentrating on visual elements of effectual function and conducts. Therefore, the visualization design of human-machine interface should minimize the adoption of visual elements, while keeping in accordance with the consumer's requirements like using simple geometric shapes, least silhouettes, and least saturated colors. The principle of main elements and backgrounds distinction, distinguishable. distinguishable. People tend to take the luminous visual elements as the main ones while the murk ones as backgrounds. A successful design must completely combine main visual elements and the backgrounds, for the location error or imbalance of the two may lead to emphasis of backgrounds. So this is the table where it is easy to distinguish collocation of color. Example, background is black, the main color should be yellow, or if the background is yellow, the main color should be black. Space coordination principle. The coordination of interface space requires a division of interface function of area of visualizable interface according to reasonable and appropriate dimensions. The principle of reasonable adoption of colors. Colors are important elements that guide the consumer's conduct and influence their mentality and visualize the human machine interface. So here is a table of psychological reaction about color. For example, red tends to have a psychological reaction of being excited, enthusiastic, brilliant, or even being danger. Or green, it represents vitality, growth, hope, or freshness. Or black, it represents dignified, solid, heavy, or even a terrorist. And other bunch of colors are here. 6. The principle of reasonable layout. Taking in use of correct layout principles can lead to reasonable division and permutation of disordered object, which ensures the design of well-structured, visualizable human-machine interface, guaranteeing the recognition and understanding of information. C. Emotional principle. The interface design should meet the user's basic emotional needs through orderly arranging, accepting, and rejecting various visual elements such as directness, understandability, excitement, funniness, etc. The principle of assist through multiple ways. As the development of science and technology and the improvement of tactile and auditory technology, the future interface should combine the visual, auditory, and tactile design according to different needs. The tactile and auditory design can express a mood feeling beyond vision. Based on this idea, the human machine interface design should form a new idea that vision is the first and auditory sense and tactile sense second, meeting the user's cognitive needs from different angles and comprehensive experience. Thus, strengthen the usability of interface. So, in conclusion, the visualization study of human-machine interface plays a decisive role in human-machine interact, predominating the application of human-machine interact products. The clarity and readability of information communication and the maneuverability and convenience in application require the designers to carry out the visualization design of human-machine interface with the guide of human concept and foundation of cognitive psychology and visual design methods, which lead to consumer-centered, reassuring, comfortable, and consumer-satisfied human-machine interfaces. Thank you.